Over here on top of the dash, I put on this authentic leather custom-made dash carpet, because the old Lexus GX470 has a problem with the dash being cracked out, and it's just a easier option to cover all the ugly crack on that. The interior of the car in general speaking is in very good shape. There is some fading and use mark on the leather seat right on the driver, but everything else, there's no crack and no heavy use sign of the leather seats. Same with the rear seats, and I've also put this custom-made seat covers on all this first row and the second row seat. On the floor is the Husky all-weather floor mat, and over here on the center console I have these center console accessory storage. You can put some credit card, some knife, that's my garage opener, and there's an extra cup holders over here, and so there you have some extra room for your daily items. And over here there's Lexus GX470, the suspension control delete. I've turned into a little cubby hole right here. There is my Midland GMRS radio and the radio speakers right here. I also put a little ramp mount X grip mount for the cell phone. And let's start the car and take a look at the infotainment system. Okay, as you can see, I have currently 180,000 miles. There's no any sort of check engine light or arrow lights. And over here, this is the infotainment system I've installed. It's an Android infotainment system. So technically speaking, it's kind of like a phone that you have in your car. I've integrated, like I said, the rear wheel camera, the front facing camera, and the dash cam, so 3 cameras integrated into the infotainment system. Currently my rear wheel camera needs a relocation, and there is the dash cam integrated into the infotainment system. And you can also connect your Android phone or Apple phone through the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and it also improved the sound system for quite a bit. And in terms of the AC, it's very cold. Lexus is very good at making any of that. And in general, it's been in a great shape, this GX470, and we've had tremendous fun and good memories with it. And that's all about the walkthrough of my GX470 rig.